BASI mission: provide excellent instruction, conduct relevant research, and foster community engagement that produce highly competent graduates necessary for the development of the country. BASI vision: a globally engaged higher education institution of agriculture and allied disciplines. Bakit ba ako nag-IT? Nag-IT ko para maraming matutunan sa system at sa industriya ng information technology. Pag nag-IT ka, marami kang matutunan. Kahit sa code o paggawa ng mga computer, matutunan mo to sa BASI.